You communicate with Allah through His angels. So sir, what will be the state of the angels after we also become spiritual beings?
We communicate to Allah through angels. So what will be?
We do not communicate with Allah through angels. We address Him directly.
This was.
Who told him that?
He just mentioned it like that.
We never communicate to Allah through angels. You always speak directly to Allah. And when He considers somebody worthy enough to be answered, there the angels are used, because the status of God is far too high and also too near. So near in the sense that you speak something from your heart, you say something and He knows it there and then. And far in elevation of His status. So He shows both His shans, kulla yawmin huwa fi shan, both His glories, that of being near and being far. So when He speaks to humans, most often He speaks from behind the curtain. And the Holy Quran mentions all these possible different ways and means. And sometimes He chooses some prophets to speak directly to them. And there is also example of this. It's up to Allah to give any status to a person He likes.